This video is all going to be about servicing the front differential that is tucked in next to the engine and covered underneath by panels. BMW considers this to be a lifetime fluid, but we're still going to service it. We start by jacking up the car. If doing this at home, recommend to use drive-up ramps on level ground on all four wheels to keep the vehicle squared up level. You may need to remove the left front wheel and support the left front side with a jack stand. To get access to the front differential, you need to remove the underbelly splash panel. Using the same 14mm Allen socket for the rear differential drain bolt, crack loose the drain bolt for the front differential. It may require some force to crack loose. The front differential fill bolt is going to be a tight spot to access. With the right length 3/8 extension, crack loose and remove the fill bolts. Some wear debris found on the fill bolt, which indicates the fluid's going to be dirty. Now loosen the drain bolt and drain into a container to observe the aged differential fluid. Side's a little bit more dirtier than the rear. Although the power transfer is split less to the front than it is to the rear diff, since the front diff is bolted to the oil slump of the engine, the heat transfer seems to break down and wear the differential fluid quicker compared to the rear diff. Mushu prefers to stick with the original BMW fluid. Next, pour the fluid into a special pump tool. Semi-screw back in the drain bolt into the front diff and pump in some new fluid. Unscrew the drain bolt once again and flush out the rest of the crap that's in the front differential with fresh fluid. Also, now would be a good time to replace the old drain plug bolt with a magnetic drain bolt. This will help out act as a filter for the fluid. Next, use new crush washers for drain bolts and install drain bolt into diff. Now start filling the differential up with fluid. The entire quart is not going to fully empty out into tools, so this will take several top-offs. Once the fluid starts to pour out of the fill hole, the differential has achieved the fill mark. Install the new crush washer on the fill bolt and torque down the fill bolt. Use a parts cleaner or brake clean to clean off any residual fluid off the differential. And once again, that's all to it to service a differential. If you didn't already guess it, next video is going to be about servicing the transfer case, so stay tuned.